authorities are preparing to file a case against Congressman Arnie Teves and several others for illegal possession of firearms. Several weapons, ammunition, and explosives were seized from the congressman's properties in an operation on March 10. Congressman Teves earlier said that he has yet to return some of the firearms after the police revoked his gun license earlier this year. Meanwhile, the CIDG maintains that the search operation had been properly conducted and that the Teves family were not barred from observing and documenting the raid.
Ating pinaghahandaan ngayon ay ang pagsasampa ng kaso po, no? Laban po dito sa mga subject po natin, sa pamilya po ng Teves po na subject po ng warrant. At ang ilan po mga individual na ating na-aresto during the conduct of the operation. Ito po ay ang mga paglabas po sa mga batas na patungkol sa illegal na pagmamay-ari ng mga papasabog at baril.